What a shame. It all been so clean up to that point, but it just got a bit tight on the entry into the first corner, and unfortunately, round goes Julian Thomas. The car is sharing with Callum Okay, so that's good to say. See Andy Brio up into 10th position. We'll keep an eye out for him there in the background. That is Andy in the yellow Mustang coming up on the Mini, as you say. Could be gaining another position fairly soon. He's chasing after Aaron Smith. Number 18 car, there is Andy Brio, multiple touring car champion. That's brilliant. Right, started his career in hill climb sprints and then developed it into circuit racing. Very, very successful. A real thinker, a real focused, concentrated man. Oh, we got damaged, so sad, on the number 46 Mini of Ian Curley. Oh, he's having a bad day, isn't he, Ian? Because he suffered. He got there was an incident in the classic Mini race earlier on.